Hi everyone, welcome back to AI-103 practice questions. Before we answer today's question, let's quickly understand two important concepts that appear frequently in AI-103. What is GPT-4o? GPT-4o is a large language model, often called an SLM. Think of it as a highly capable AI assistant that can handle complex reasoning, advanced problem solving, understanding many different topics, working with text, images, and documents. It's very powerful, but also cost more to run. Now, what is an SLM? SLM stands for Small Language Model. Think of it as a smaller, more efficient version designed for simple tasks. Examples: classifying support tickets, categorizing emails, basic customer service scenarios, simple chat experience. An SLM is typically faster, cheaper, easier to scale, but it has fewer capabilities than a large model like GPT-4o. Simple analogy: think of it this way. GPT-4o is large SUV, SLM is like a compact car. If you're going on an expedition through the mountains, you may need SUV. But if you're driving to a grocery store, the compact car can give the job done at much lower cost. Question: an architect reviews an AI system using GPT-4o to classify inbound support tickets into 5 predefined categories at 2 million tickets per month. Finance reports inference span is 8 times the initial estimate. The architect suspects model oversizing, which diagnostic questions most directly identifies whether a smaller model would suffice. Option A: is the knowledge cutoff of GPT-4o recent enough for current product terminology? Option B: does the task require multi-step reasoning, domain generalization beyond a ticket taxonomy, or multimodal input? Is the model being served via global deployment or regional standard deployment? D. Does the system use RAG, and is the vector store attached at the run or assistant level? See, the correct answer is B. Let's simplify those terms. What is multi-step reason? This means the AI has to think through multiple steps before reaching an answer. For example, analyze, then compare, then evaluate, then decide. More complex reasoning usually benefits from larger model. Now, what is domain generalization? This means handling situations that don't neatly fit into predefined categories. Example: a support ticket contains an unusual issue that the system has never seen before. Large models are generally better at handling unexpected scenarios. So what is multimodal input? This simply means working with more than text. Example includes images, screenshots, audio files, doc. If a solution needs to understand multiple types of content, a large model may be justified. Now, why this is the correct answer? The business is using GPT-4o only to classify support tickets into 5 categories. See, they are saying classifying support tickets into only 5 categories. Before spending money on a powerful model, we should always ask, does this task actually require the advanced capabilities of large language model? If the answer is no, a smaller model may provide nearly the same accuracy at a fraction of cost. That's exactly what option B is helping us determine. Now let's understand why the other answers are wrong. A. Knowledge cutoff. This doesn't tell us whether the model is oversized. Option C. Deployment type. Deployment choice doesn't determine whether GPT-4o is necessary. Option D. RAG and vector stores. These are unrelated to deciding whether a smaller model can perform the task. So answer is exam tips. When you see high AI cost, GPT-4o, budget concerns, cost optimization, simple classification task, ask yourself, do we really need a large language model? That's often the question an architect should investigate. Remember, GPT-4o is LLM with maximum capability, higher cost. SLM is cost-effective capabilities, simpler workloads. Before choosing the biggest model available, always ask, does this task actually need that much intelligence? That's the key concept Microsoft is testing. Thank you for watching.